Hi there everyone, it's Grace Lancaster with you and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in a baking mood and I'm super excited to whip up some delicious banana bread. It's one of my favorite treats and it's so easy to make, so just let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the delicious ingredients that we will use for our bread. First, we need 6 ripe bananas that will bring an amazing flavor and moisture to our bread. Next, we need 6 eggs to add richness and bind everything together. Then 400 grams of all-purpose flour will serve as a foundation for our butter. 200 milliliters of vegetable oil keeps it nice and moist. We'll also add 200 grams of sugar for just the right amount of sweetness, complemented by 20 grams of baking powder to help it rise. A touch of 20 grams of vanilla sugar will enhance the flavor, and don't forget to add a pinch of salt to just elevate all those delightful tastes. With the simply wonderful ingredients, we're set to create a deliciously comforting banana bread. Let's start on our baking adventure. Just look at this perfect golden brown banana bread. It just smells so amazing and I can't wait to show you how perfect it turned out. Just look at this texture. It seems to be really delicious. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's give this a taste. Just look at how perfectly it turned out. So moist and golden. Oh my god, it's really amazing! The bananas add so much natural sweetness and the hint of vanilla is absolutely perfect. This is pure comfort food. If you haven't tried homemade banana bread yet, just trust me, this recipe is a must. Simple, delicious, and so satisfying. So guys, thank you for baking with me today. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did because banana bread never disappoints. If you try it out, let me know how it turned out. And for more cozy recipes and just fun in the kitchen, don't forget to press the subscribe button. And I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye!